It's so silly of me to act like I don't need you back.
Hey everybody, welcome to my channel where I share easy and affordable beauty tutorials. So I have a new wig here that I want to show and style, of course. Wig is from Kiss Love Hair. This is human hair. This is how the wig came. So you get a lot of stuff: a wig cap, a wig band, some tape, lace tape, edge brush, a razor, a very nice pink robe, which I love the color of. Nice satin bonnet here like this. Lastly, I have lashes, 22 inches here. It looks like it's pre-everything, which I love. Pre-everything wigs are so easy to install. Yeah, so it's pre-cut, pre-bleach, pre-plucked, just ready to put on. So let's take a look at that. So this is what the wig looks like, fresh out of the bag here. Ooh. 360 wig, 360. So I'm kind of debating on how I want to do my hair to put the wig on, but again, it is pre-everything, so it's ready to go right out of the packaging. I might, honestly, my hair isn't too puffy right now. I honestly might just wrap it and put the wig cap on and then put the wig on. I'm gonna try that really quick and see if that works. And if not, I'll probably just do a little bun at the back. But I want it to be flat so that I can wear the 360 aspect of it. Ooh. If anything, if it's too puffy, I'll put another cap on to kind of help press the hair down. That should work. In my head, I feel like that'll work. I don't know, that kind of looks big. Man. Wig on now. I did have to take the strap off. I did also take the combs off. So it did work with me wrapping my hair and using the two caps. I always put my wigs on in a lazy method. They do, however, look better when I don't do the lazy method, but I always do. And it works out, but you know, you can have quality installs or like kind of a low quality install, but it'll still work out. It's just easier, I don't know. So it worked out. The wig is on snug and tight. Like I said, I took the band and the combs out and it feels pretty secure so far. I'm going to add some wig glue or like the lace spray. I honestly don't use glue, I just use the spray. I'm gonna use this spray here for my lace and then I'm going to style it. I don't think I'm gonna do the crimps anymore. I kind of feel like I want to do wand curls, but that's just too much work right now. So I'll probably just curl it like I always do. Curl the hair and then cut some layers like normal. But that's still really cute. That's one of my favorite styles. So I'll probably do that. But let me show you. I did tighten the drawstring band here. So it's kind of like it has an internal band to it, so you don't really need both. You could, however, I do have a larger head, so this is fitting tight on my head, but it is fitting, so keep that in mind if you have a bigger head too. And I am going to take out my edges here. I have a low hairline, so I always just leave those out so that the install looks a little more natural. And let me show you how the back looks right now. Of course, this is me showing you without doing anything to it. This is what it looks like right now. Yeah, but it feels good. It doesn't feel like the wig is gonna come off or anything. It feels good. It's not too tight. Feels good. And the hair feels good too. The hair feels good. No issues so far. Okay, so I put my wig on. I'm gonna let my lace melt with the lace band that came with my wig while I style my hair. So like I said, I'm just gonna do some regular curls with a couple of layers, just a standard style. I did want to press the hair out first just to see how that how the hair handled a good press. And honestly, it pressed out really easy and nice. The hair is still very silky, smooth. So now I'm just going to press the hair out and then add in my curls. So I didn't do a hard press or anything since I was doing curls, but yeah, just some standard curls with my 1-inch barrel hair. No, I think this is a half an inch barrel, and then just some face framing layers. So I did my favorite side part look, and this is just how it came out. Love it. Always love a good thick bang on the side. But I also want to show you how I did a couple of other styles. So since this is a 360 wig, I styled it in a ponytail as well as half up, half down, which came out so cute, and then also a bun. So of course you can do so many styles with this wig since it is the full 360, but my favorite to do is just the traditional install. I love a side part with curls and layers. So the links to this wig is down below. Let me know what you guys think, and thank you so much for watching this video. Cannot wait to see you guys in the next one.